Hi friends, welcome to my channel Job Updates by Verma. I give daily job updates in my channel for every sector, government sector, private sector, engineering sector as well as PSU jobs. If you have come first time in my channel, please subscribe my channel because I give daily notification of jobs and career guidance and interview tips. So please subscribe our channel because it gives us motivation. So today's job notification has come from Siemens. We will discuss in detail in this video. Stay tuned with us. So Siemens is published their notification for hiring graduate trainee position. BE Tech can apply for this job. They are hiring freshers. Okay. So the location they are hiring for Bangalore. Experience need is freshers. BE Tech job it is graduate trainee graphic design engineer. They are requiring to recruiting for this particular post. So are you looking for developing future leaders? Then you can join Siemens, okay, to build multifaceted custom graphic packages like Siemens use AutoCAD, micrographs, and Siemens products. So you can easily join there. Many new things you can learn there, and many new tools, new graphic and design tool you can learn there. Okay, so it is a great opportunity. So they develop graphic background for projects from engineering submittals. They meet with customer project managers, system engineers. You have to bring in dynamics and point blocks to graphic in Insight or Desigo CC. You will estimate the time required to complete the work. They work variety of graphic design tools like AutoCAD, Micrographics Designer. So you will develop the overall layout design for schematics used in construction of building. So it is their responsibility to develop knowledge and understand basics of engineered system. So you need not to worry about it. They will train you properly. You must be able to think creatively and produce design that will meet project specification. So they don't require superheroes, just the super minds. Okay, so associate degree in graphics design or 1 2 year a relevant vocational training will be preferred. Specialized skill training certification may be required. Any engineering backlog is okay, preferable mechanical engineer. They are asking for diploma engineers, Revit experience, knowledge of Microsoft Office, AutoCAD, HVAC, and electrical AutoCAD experience up to 6 months to 1 year exposure to keyboard skills, good relationship with building skills, ability to interpret customer requirements. So, if you want to apply, the mechanical engineers and the diploma engineers or the uh, vocational trained guys, you can apply for this job. Click on the apply link and it will be redirected to the official and the career website of Siemens. So graduate trainee graphic and design engineer post it is. So you need to click on apply. I will give this link in my description box. So you just need to log in if you have a registered account. If you are not a user of their website, then you need to register. Click on register, then privacy policy you need to agree, then your email ID, password, first name, last name, your language. Then you can click on register, then your account will be created and you can log in with your account and directly apply for this job, graphic designer. So this is the job notification from team job updates by Pharma for the post of Siemens graphic designer. So thanks for watching this video. Take care guys. Please subscribe us, and if you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends. Thank you. Take care. Bye.